Hi friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful crochet tissue holder basket designs model. Let's start. A crochet tissue holder basket is a handmade storage bit created using yarn and crochet techniques, designed to hold tissues in a neat, decorative way. It combines functionality, organizing tissues, with aesthetic charm, especially in cozy styles. It usually looks like a soft basket or box-shaped cover that fits over a tissue box or holds lots of tissues. Common feature includes a top opening for pulling tissues at easily structured sides to keep shape, sometimes stiffened with tight stitches or inserts. Decorative patterns like granny skirts, bubble stitch, or ribbing. Why people love it? A crochet tissue holder basket is not just practical, it adds warmth and personality to your space. Make everyday items look beautiful and cozy. Fits perfectly with country-style farmhouse or cottage decor. Can be customized in color, pattern, and size. Great for DIY gifts or handmade business ideas. Where you can use it: living room, on coffee table or side table, for bedroom, bedside table, bathrooms, adds a soft, spa-like feel. Office desk, for a neat, creative cut. Here are some practical and creative tips to make your crochet tissue holder baskets look more beautiful, durable, and unique. First, choose the right yarn. Very important. The yarn you choose completely changes the look and strength. Cotton yarn, best for structure and neat shape. T-shirt yarn, thick, modern, and sturdy. Acrylic yarn, softer but may need tighter stitches. Go for neutral tones like beige, cream, and rose green for vintage or cottage style. Use a slightly smaller hook than recommended to make tighter stitches so the basket holds its shape better. Make it sturdy and structured. A floppy basket does not look as good, so use tight stitches like single crochet or waistcoat stitch. Add a hidden cardboard or plastic canvas insert inside. Crochet double strands for extra thickness. Lock your basket lightly to shape it. Add beautiful details. Small details make it stand out. Add lace edging for a vintage feel. Use wooden buttons for rustic charm. Attach mini handles for a basket look. Tie a ribbon or bow for a soft cottage good cut. Play with patterns and texture. Don't just stick to plain stitches. Try granny skirt panels for a classic look. Use bubble or puff stitches for texture. Mix two-tone colors like white plus pastel pink. Add striped patterns for a farmhouse style. Fit it perfectly. Measure your tissue box size before starting. Keep the opening slightly snug to tissues. Don't slip inside. If using lots of tissues, make a smaller top opening slit. Match your home decor style. Use soft faded colors like dusty rose, lavender, and cream. Slightly imperfect, handmade look. Don't over-perfect it. Pair with oud linen or floral element nearby. Make it multi-purpose. You can design it so it is not just for tissues. Use it as a small storage basket, keys, and shimmers. Turn it into a gift basket cover. Create a matching set, tissue holder plus tray plus coaster. Use advanced stitches for a premium look. If you want your basket to stand out, use wainscot stitch. Looks like neat, very clean and modern. Thermal stitch, super thick and static, great for structure. Alpine stitch adds a beautiful raised texture. Bubble stitch gives a soft decorative finish feel. These stitches make your baskets look more expensive and unique. Create a clean, professional shape. To avoid a messy shape, use invisible decreases for a neat edge. For sharp corners, crochet 3 stitches into one corner space. Slip stitch or single crochet around the top edge for a clean finish. Lightly block or steam shape your basket after finishing. Add a lid or flap design. Make your design more functional and stylish. Add a flip lid with a button closer. Create a top flap with a slit opening. Try a removable lid for easy refilling. This gives a gift quality finish. Focus on color harmony instead of random colors. Use 2 to 3 color palettes max. Try themes like cream plus cheese green for a calm farmhouse. Beige plus dusty pink. Use white plus light blue. Use ombre shades for a gradient effect. Straighten the base properly. A weak base ruins everything. Start with a tight oval or rectangle base. Use thermal stitch or double yarn at the base only. Add a fabric lining for extra support and luxury feel. Add fabric and crochet combo. This is a game changer. Sew a floral or linen fabric lining inside. It hides loose yarn and makes it look store-bought quality. Think like a designer, very important. Don't just make it. Style it. Create a matching set like tissue holder plus crochet tray plus coaster. Place it with flowers, books, candles for aesthetic display. Play with shape variation, break the box look. Most people make square boxes, but you can stand out by trying round or oval shapes for a softer look. Making a hexagon or geometric design for uniqueness. Adding a slightly curved edge for a cozy handmade feel. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!